Hello students, today we are going to start with the continuous tense chapter number 15 from your grammar book and page number 77. We have already done the simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense in our previous class. Okay, now we are going to start and take the first one, present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, here those sentences are written or spoken which are in a process of happening. Okay, those actions that will take place in the near future or those actions which has been going on over a period of time. That means जो काम वर्तमान में चल रहा है, उस समय पर चल रहा है या उन दिनों चल रहा है. Okay, just like one example is given here, we are reading a story. That means at present, at right now, we are reading a story. That means present time the action is going on. And the next sentence is Neha is learning to drive. Here Neha is not driving right now in his bedroom or in his drawing room or in his school. A period of time, that means in dino, है ना, those days, these days Neha is learning to drive. Same as past continuous, the action or the work that was in the progress in the past. Okay, जो भूतकाल में चल रहा था, जो past में चल रहा था. For example, it was raining last night. पिछली रात बारिश हो रही थी. I was taking a bath when you called me. मैं उस समय कहाँ रहा था जब तुमने मुझे कॉल किया, right? And in future, those actions which are planned to be in progress in the future time. Okay, जो काम भविष्य में चल रहा होगा या ऐसी हम प्लानिंग करेंगे कि वो उस समय पर चल रहा होना चाहिए. ठीक है. So the example is we will be going to Jaipur in the morning. हम सुबह जयपुर जाएंगे, मतलब हमारी यात्रा चालू रहेगी इस समय. So and the next example is they will be practicing for the annual function in the evening. इसका मतलब शाम के समय वो प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Now come to the formation of the sentences. In simple present tense, the formula of the present continuous tense is is, am, are plus verb plus ing. Okay, we have to write here verb along with the ings. Okay, in past continuous was verb plus verb plus ing, and in future continuous will be, shall be plus verb plus ing. Now come to your exercise part. Turn your page. Before the exercise part, I am also want to explain you that how the negative sentences are formed in these type of tenses. In present continuous, I have already give you help in our previous class that not is always come in the place of third place. Okay, so is, am, are plus not plus v1 में ing. And past tense, in interrogative negative sentence, is, am, are helping verb comes further, and after that subject, and then not, and then v1 plus ing. And in past continuous was verb plus not plus v1 में ing, and in future will be, shall be plus not plus ing. So come to your exercise part, to the page number 79. Now come to the question number A, 15.1. Change the tenses of the verb in these sentences as directed. Here the direction has given. Add time reference and make other changes as required. First, people met the district magistrate. You have converted it into future continuous. So people will be meeting the district magistrate. Now the second one, we are listening to the news. Here the direction is given past continuous. So we were listening to the news. Now come to the third one, I shall meet him. Change it into past continuous. I was meeting him. He worked in a company. Change it into present continuous. So he is working in a company. Now Mr. Kapoor retired next month and his son joins work next month. Future continuous change करना है and the sentence is in a simple present tense. So Mr. Kapoor will be retiring next month and his son will be joining work next week. So Pankaj went to Delhi. It is a simple past tense sentence and you should change it into past continuous. So Pankaj was going to Delhi. Come to the B part. Change the following sentences as directed. We are having dinner right now. Interrogative sentence change करना है. Are comes further because it is a helping verb here. So are we having dinner right now? Second one, they are doing their project work. Interrogative negative, are they not comes in the third place. Are they not doing their project work? And question mark also. Come to the third one, she will be performing on the annual day. Negative, she will not be performing on the annual day. Fourth one, I was watching the cricket match. Negative interrogative, was I not watching the cricket match? Fifth one, Raghu was not walking with me. Interrogative, was Raghu not walking with me? They will be arriving by tomorrow. Negative sentence, they will not be arriving by tomorrow. We were waiting for the show to start. Interrogative, were we waiting for the show to start? Question mark. Shall I not be studying? Interrogative, shall I not be studying? And question mark. So that's all for today, and we will take out our lesson number 16 in our next class. Till then, goodbye.